Tired of the 9-to-5 grind and dreaming of financial freedom? You're not alone. Today's economy demands innovative solutions. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building sustainable income streams. Discover practical, proven methods to generate extra cash flow. Learn how to leverage your skills and passions into profitable ventures. Uncover the secrets to creating a future where you control your time and finances. Unlock your potential and build a more fulfilling financial journey, starting now. The traditional job market is changing. Many face stagnant wages, demanding schedules, and limited opportunities for growth. Finding alternative income streams is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity for financial security and freedom. This shift requires understanding key concepts like passive income, leveraging skills, and building a strong online presence. Traditional employment often doesn't align with personal values or aspirations. Exploring diverse income sources allows you to tailor your financial future to your lifestyle. This exploration is about taking control, not just reacting to economic shifts. It's about building a foundation for a fulfilling and financially secure life. Ready to take control of your financial future? Subscribe now and join the conversation. Your feedback and comments are invaluable. Let's learn together, share experiences, and build a supportive community dedicated to financial freedom. This is just the beginning. Your journey starts now. Start by defining your financial goals. Do you want extra income, complete financial independence, or simply more flexibility? Knowing your objectives clarifies your path. Next, identify your skills and interests. Are you a creative writer, a tech-savvy problem solver, or a skilled communicator? These are your strengths, and they're your potential income generators. Consider online courses or freelance platforms. For example, a graphic designer can offer their services on Fiverr, while a skilled writer can create articles for websites. Explore passive income avenues. Investing in dividend stocks, creating and selling digital products, or even renting out a spare room can yield consistent returns. Common questions include, how much capital do I need? How long will it take? Start small. Focus on 1 or 2 avenues at first. Building a strong foundation is key. Regularly evaluate your progress and adjust your strategies as needed. Learning is a continuous process. Stay updated on new opportunities and trends. Don't be afraid to experiment and adapt. If you're serious about achieving financial freedom and want to discover the steps to financial freedom, start now and transform your mindset with the Modern Millionaires. Link in the pinned comment, and be sure to watch until the end of this video for actionable tips and strategies. Imagine this: you're approaching retirement, and your current income stream isn't enough to cover your expenses. Or perhaps you're facing unexpected medical bills, and your savings are dwindling. These are critical moments where the need for alternative income sources becomes undeniable. The traditional job market isn't always predictable. Economic downturns, industry shifts, or unforeseen personal circumstances can leave you vulnerable. Building a diversified income portfolio is no longer optional. It's a proactive measure for financial stability. Consider the impact of rising living costs, unexpected emergencies, or simply the desire for greater financial freedom. These challenges highlight the urgent need to explore alternative income streams. Don't wait until a crisis hits. Start building your financial safety net today. Understanding these methods empowers you to take control of your future. It's about proactive planning, not just reacting to financial pressures. Understanding passive income is crucial. Imagine earning money while you sleep. This isn't a fantasy. It's a reality for many. One example is dividend stocks. Companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders. Regularly, you receive payments based on your investment. Another method is creating and selling digital products like ebooks or online courses. Once created, these resources generate income repeatedly. Building an online presence is essential. Platforms like Etsy or Shopify allow you to sell handmade goods or digital products. Consistent posting and engaging content can attract a loyal following. Freelancing is another option. If you have specific skills, offering your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can generate income. Consider the time commitment and the value you provide. The key is to identify your skills and find a market for them. Each step, from initial planning to ongoing marketing, requires dedication and persistence. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Learn from them and keep moving forward. A common challenge is time management. Juggling multiple income streams requires careful planning. Prioritize tasks, use time-blocking techniques, and automate where possible. For example, scheduling social media posts in advance frees up your time for other activities. Marketing is crucial. Creating a strong online presence requires consistent effort. Use social media effectively, build an email list, and engage with your audience. Consider paid advertising to reach a wider audience. A potential hurdle is a lack of initial capital. Start with low-cost options like freelancing or creating digital products. Leverage free resources and tools to minimize expenses. For example, many social media platforms offer free advertising options. Don't be afraid to ask for help or guidance from mentors or online communities. Building a support network can provide valuable insights and support. Learning from others' experiences can help you navigate potential challenges more effectively. Remember, consistent effort and adaptation are key to success in this evolving landscape. Scaling your income streams requires strategic planning. Consider creating a tiered approach, starting with low-cost, high-impact options. For example, begin with freelance writing and gradually incorporate passive income streams like affiliate marketing. Building a strong brand is essential. A consistent online presence and a clear brand message attract clients and investors. Case studies of successful entrepreneurs who transitioned from traditional jobs to alternative income models show the power of strategic planning and consistent effort. One example is a former teacher who leveraged their expertise in online education to create a thriving online course business. They strategically marketed their courses, built a strong brand, and established a loyal student base. This highlights the potential of converting existing skills into valuable digital products. Furthermore, diversifying your income sources is crucial. Avoid relying on a single income stream. A balanced approach minimizes risk and maximizes potential earnings. Continuously learning and adapting to market changes are vital in this evolving landscape. Explore new opportunities and stay informed about emerging trends. This approach ensures long-term success in the ever-changing world of alternative income generation. Recent studies show a growing trend toward entrepreneurship and alternative income streams. A significant portion of the workforce is actively exploring these options, driven by a desire for greater financial independence and work-life balance. This shift is not just a trend, it's a reflection of changing economic realities. Consider the rise of the gig economy and the increasing demand for specialized skills. These factors highlight the importance of developing diverse income sources. For example, a survey by the Freelancers Union revealed that a substantial number of freelancers reported higher job satisfaction and greater control over their schedules compared to traditional employees. This data underscores the real-world benefits of exploring alternative income opportunities. Experts in financial planning emphasize the need for diversification. Having multiple streams of income reduces financial vulnerability and provides a safety net during economic fluctuations or personal emergencies. This approach empowers individuals to take control of their financial destiny, fostering resilience and long-term security. The implications are significant. affecting personal finances, career choices, and overall economic well-being. So, you're still wondering if this is really possible? Think about it. A recent study showed that over 50% of small business owners started their ventures with little or no funding. It's about starting small and building momentum. A common concern is the initial investment, but often the biggest investment is time and effort. Don't be discouraged by the unknown. Remember, the key is to focus on what you're good at. What skills do you have? What are you passionate about? These are the building blocks. A common question is, where do I even start? Start with a plan. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps. Focus on one or two areas at first. And don't forget the importance of continuous learning. The market changes, so stay updated. The key is to be proactive, not reactive. Think about it like building a house. You don't just throw up walls, you lay a solid foundation. This is the same with your financial future. It's about laying the groundwork for long-term financial security and flexibility. You've got this. Let's recap. You've learned how to diversify your income streams, leverage your skills, and build a solid foundation for financial freedom. Now, it's time to act. Identify your strengths and interests. Research different options: freelancing, online courses, passive investments. Create a realistic plan. Start small, focus on one or two areas, and build from there. The benefits are clear: increased financial security, greater control over your time, and the freedom to pursue your passions. This isn't just about making money. It's about building a future that aligns with your values. Ready to take the next step? Share your plans in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to financial freedom. Remember, financial freedom isn't a destination, it's a journey. You've gained valuable insights into creating alternative income streams. Now, it's time to translate those insights into action. Embrace the entrepreneurial spirit within you. Don't be afraid to experiment. Learn from your mistakes and adapt to the ever-changing landscape. This journey is unique to you, shaped by your skills, passions, and goals. The key is to stay curious, keep learning, and never stop exploring new possibilities. The world of alternative income is vast and exciting. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep creating your own path to financial freedom. What's your next step? Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below.